going on, guys? So today we're working on the garage and we're doing some upgrades. Oh, Lukey's dancing again. Hit that subscribe button. Yeah, so we're building a new shelf that's gonna go in here, a little worktop. We're gonna put some shelving underneath it. Some more renovations. Woo! Hey guys, so while we're working on the tables, let's check out what's in the garage. Probably never seen it before. So here is my dad's Impreza. There's Trevor's Subaru WRX 1994. Very slick car. I think it's locked up. Some modifications to be done. That's the big scoop for the front, and some more color change stuff coming very soon on that one. Here we have my MX-5 Mark 1 drift car. That's the inside of it. She's a bit of a mess over there, but overall pretty tidy. And we have some bash bar building going on over there. Okay, so let me show you some of the other cars that are in the garage. We have our work van anyways there, but it's not too interesting. We have Jakub's brand new RX8. He just picked up the other day. Absolutely gorgeous car. 230 brake horsepower, 6-speed. Can't wait to see this thing rip proper. And then we have my GT86, which you've all seen about 1,000,001 times, so I won't go through what's on that. Then we have Lucas's E46 BMW drift car, fully stripped out since the last time you've probably seen it. Big STI wing on it to match my STI wing, and then Lucas's 5 Series. I believe this is an F10. If I'm wrong, just drop a comment down below and tell me how stupid I am, because I don't know BMWs. So guys, here we are. Lucas is now finishing off the tabletop. We're just drilling a few holes in. How great does this thing look? Awesome.
Try Lucas. Hey, what's starting, guys? Yeah, we nearly came to the end with this. You know, that means we're gonna have so much more space and we're gonna be able to work on a lot of stuff on that table. This is what we've been missing in the garage all that time, you know, so we are absolutely delighted to have that done now.
If you want to do this stuff at home by yourself, it's so easy. All you need is a few bob, go to a hardware store, pick up the parts, and it is simple as that. Just to make sure your measurements are all right. Super easy, and it's a great upgrade to the garage. Look how clean everything looks. Awesome.
We're going for a little spin in RX8. Let's see what that thing has under the bonnet. Under the bonnet? Well, under the bonnet. Under the bonnet, you know. Let's release those winkles. Fucking. Oh, whoa, stop. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? You're in the fucking estate, man. No, I'm not gonna do anything. Don't do that here. People are fucking kids, everything around will kill you.
Fucking hell.
That's alright.
Shit, that picked up at the end, didn't it?
It picks up at the end.
Fuck.
Watch. That person just goes. Woo! I see him, look, don't worry about it. You seen it? I don't fucking no brakes in that fucking car. Oh no, the brakes are good. Brakes are good. I have no idea if the brakes are okay in that car.
Yeah, same interior and everything. Yeah. Very nice.
Very nice.
I love the way the back tires open. That's probably my favorite.
Yeah, it's like a fucking Bentley or something like that.
It's fucking deadly.
It's like a Bentley.
Look at these yokes. You can see through your fucking visors.
Yeah.
What is that about?
That's strange now.
That's mad. Jakey, you're driving like a gangster. One hand on top. So guys, that is absolutely class. It's a really nice drift car. We let Lucas out. Good lad.
Too old for this.
So now we're going to check out the sound of the exhaust.
Yeah.
Let it rip when you're ready, man.
Let it rip, man.
That's sick. But thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below your thoughts. And we'll see you in the next one.